Guys, yo, nkosi ngiyangicela guys, ngicela ningisizeni. Please guys, help me. Guys, help me.
Hey fam, something horrible might have happened. Nomsa Telezishosi is seeking help. Apparently a woman called her asking for someone who can provide decoration services for a wedding. Then she recommended a friend, and now the friend has been, or at the time of the call was being hijacked in Kempton Park. The hijacker apparently got her number and used the woman they are working with to call and lure in the victim. She's saying that she tried calling the police, but they're not willing to help. Hence the live in hopes that it does help. Take a look and do share your thoughts in the comment section. And also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Guys, yo, nkosi ngiyangicela guys, ngicela ningisizeni. Please guys, help me. Guys, help me. Guys, ngiyangicela ngisizeni. Guys, ngiyangicela, please. Please share the live, ngiyangicela. Share the live. Share the live. My friend bamhijacker guys, ngifonela amaphoyisa khona ayangijika, angazi ukuthi ngizama ukubapha information guys. Somebody please help. Angazi ukuthi why can a person, and that person has to be on my WhatsApp because I don't share. I'm a number one on social media. That person is on my WhatsApp kusho. That person is on my WhatsApp because this particular woman called me. This woman called me wathi kimi ufuna umuntu wedeko because umuntu wedeko yakhe umdisappointile. And then I suggested umngani wami wedeko. Guys, I don't know what to do. Please help me. Ngifonela yonke indawo, ngifonela amaphoyisa abhizi. I don't know what they're doing. But guys, help me. Guys, please help me. Guys, they are hijacking her. She called me. Wafihli phone and babhizi baloku wathi cooperate. Bayabashaya guys, they're hijacking them. Guys, ngenze kanjani? What do I do? Because the police are failing me. Angazi ukuthi ngenze kanjani. That's why ngizalana. Maybe somebody like Facebook uzokwazi ukungisiza guys. What do I do? Umngani wami bayamhijacker. She called me. Ifone ifihlile. Shit. Guys, I don't know. Angazi ukuthi ngithini. I'm still in shock now. I don't know what to do. Guys. Please share the live. Share any live. Somebody can reach. Man, umngani wami bayamhijacker right now. Abantu they are pretending to be clients. Bafuna umuntu wedeko mina ngibapha umngani wami. Kusho ukuthi this person is on my WhatsApp because I don't share my personal details. I don't share my personal details on Facebook or anywhere. This person is on my WhatsApp. Pretendile athi uyashada next month ufuna umuntu wedeko. Mina ngisuggest umngani wami who's very good emsebenzini wakhe njengomngani, ngipha umunye umngani umsebenzi. Kanti bona theko ngithi rob them. She said her name is Nolthando. Mara mathi bheki true caller, the number is Shepherd. Guys, what am I supposed to do? Guys, how can this girl tell? I'm a fast banjan because they're using this woman. She's part of the syndicate. Guys, I don't know. Alright, guys. I don't know whether she's okay. I'm trying to connect with her. I'm trying to connect now. The last call I had, she was screaming and she was begging for her life. Yo, shit, guys, what do I do? Guys, help me. Yo guys, what do I do? Ngiyangicela guys, khuluma nami abantu abaziyo. Iphoyisa lelana how iphoyisa lakhona. I'm trying to be calm. I'm giving her information. I'm trying to give her information. I want to see it, guys. The police, I spoke to the police. I don't know what to do. Please help me, guys. Please, guys, help me. Guys, that person pretended to be a client. Next month, and I suggested my friend. ngiyamsuggest ukuthi she's good at her work. Kanti bazoba rob. Kanti oh shit, guys, please help me. I called the police, guys. Ngifonile amaphoyisa. Ngifonile amaphoyisa. I called the police. I was on the phone with the police, guys. I was on the call with the police. I wonder what is gonna happen to my friend. Ungifonele the last call, shit. Nami, those person, labo puti laba bapis, but shut up. Cooperator, wena. Bro, cooperator. My friend is begging for her life. Let's go. Yo, guys, ngikhulumile namaphoyisa, they're not helping me. This is the last resort, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm trying to call my friend. So this girl that pretended to be a bride, it's in Jeleni. When the girl that pretended to be a bride, I called her. I'm phoning her who's good voice. She doesn't sound normal. And I got sounding normal. It's where no tando. It's no tando. Where is Audrey? So I feel it now. I'm telling you, they're robbing them. Yes, but I can hear her voice. She's like fucking criminal. She's a demon, that woman. Yo, yo, guys, amaphoyisa, they're not helping me. The constable lawyer, I'm telling you, phone number, please track it. Try and track it. Earring, track it. Is I mean we track because they said there is around Captain Park. Because this lady who take him or say Alexandra or say Captain Park. That's okay. Yo, guys, ngicela ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngenzeni kanjani, guys. Ngisengifonela amaphoyisa, ngifonela wonke umuntu. I'm crying and I'm trying to come down for the police to cooperate with me. Nkosi yami, umngani wami, Nkosi yami. Yo, guys, ngicela ukuthi ningisizeni. Angazi ukuthi ngenze kanjani. Angazi, because they called me. She said to me, ngicela ukuthi ungisize Nomsa. Umuntu wedeko disappointed. Nomsa, please suggest the person owedeko. Mina njengoNomsa ngiyajabula umunye umuntu makasebenza. Ngifonela umngani wami nayigig. Umsebenzi nawo abantu bakhona bayashada next month. Please, ngicela ukuthi unentina number wabo. Guys, just to find out ukuthi lo muntu lona, they are criminals. My friend went to that person, and when they started robbing them, she called me. I'm the last call. She was screaming for her life. I heard those guys in the background. But shut up when I cooperate. Yo, guys, I felt I was in there. I was in that car. People are cruel. People are demonic. Oh. Yo, people are demonic, guys. Facebook. Maybe ngizothola abantu bazongisiza, guys. Yo, Kelly Lona akasaphambi ifoni yakhe. She's no longer holding ifoni yakhe manje. Ifoni yakhe akasayibambi. Guys, ngenze kanjani? I don't know what to do, guys. I'm trying to calm down. I'm trying. Ngiyaka lokho phela intusenhle kalukupha bathuma mdimu. Intusenhle bathu. Abantu bakruwele, guys, emhlabeni. Angisafuna ukwenza imishado, angisayenza next. I'm no longer doing events anymore. Demonic, abantu labo. She pretended to be a client, kanti she's a criminal. Uhamba namadoda, a criminal. And they are criminals. Oh, cause I wonder why. I feel so whatever. I told you job, guys. I was saying to her, I told you job, January sebenza sibe grand thina sinjalo siphasana umsebenzi. And these people are demons. These people are demons. These people are criminals. She's no longer holding her phone now. Maramanje into engizonitshela yona bafethu. The person is on my WhatsApp. The person knows me. The person loyo uyangazi unamanamba wama personal because I don't share my numbers with anybody. So that person is a person that knows me personally. So use my number one to commit a crime with their friends, and they're putting my friend's life in jeopardy. Oh God. Guys, angazi, that last call will ring in my head forever. That phone call will ring on my head forever if anything happens to my friend. If anything happens to my friend, I will never forgive myself. I will never forgive myself because I don't know what to do. And I'm in it, guys. I sit to my key. Shit. Listen, guys. I'm in trouble. I got it, guys. I'm not okay, guys. I can't breathe. I can't do anything. Constable lo yongisisayo. Ukhuluma nami kabuhlungu kanjani. I calmed down for them. Ngathi okay, let me calm down. Then I calmed down and I even sat down. Ngathi ngicela ukuthi ungimamele. This is what happened. A woman called me during the day and she said to me, "Hello, Nomsonjani." Ngathi ngikhona, I'm okay, and you? Athi igama lami uNolthando. Ngithi hello Nolthando. Athi yo sona sami yazi I'm getting married next month. And ngicela ukuthi ungisize ngendaba yedeko because umuntu wami wedeko uyangidisappoint. So ngifuna ukuhamba. I'm going on a vacation tomorrow. So I want to be able to lock down lo muntu lo ngazi ukuthi when I come back from my vacation I know I paid the deco person. Okay? That's okay. I know that you know abantu bamadeko wazi wonke umuntu wena, you've got everyone. Ngithi yes. Give me, can you please? Yeah, I have to get out of the life. I have to get out of the life and then guys, I'll update you if anything happens. Please pray for my friend. Please pray for me. Because these people are criminals. These people are demons. And then my friend went, where my friend, they want abantu bedeko. Please go to them. And they said they're around Captain Park. Please, now my number whatever says, this lady pretending to be a bride, and she said, I called her, she's coming, they're on the way. Uzani husband, all of a sudden, I get the last call. Feedback about the meeting, and all of a sudden, it was screams. She was fighting for her life in that car. Guys. I don't know what to do. I have to get out of the life, guys, so that I can get help from the inbox. I'll come back, guys. I'll come back.